Welcome back to this YouTube channel. Next up is the VHS opening 2, Clifford the Big Red Dog. Here comes Clifford, VHS from 2000, 2001 reprint by F.H.E. Family Home Entertainment, Artisan Entertainment, and Scholastic. Now, 2 years ago, I did this same opening, so if you guys want to go check it out, I'll leave a link down in the description below. Here is the tape itself, and this VHS does not have no print date. So, let's go play the tape.
And this is Clifford, my big red dog.
Clifford needed Emily, so she chose him for her own. And her love made Clifford grow so big that the Howards had to leave their home. Clifford's the best friend anyone could know. He's the greatest dog ever, I really think so. Clifford's so loyal, he's there when you call. I love Clifford, the big red dog. So they packed up a family car, and the Howards left the city. They moved to Bird while I'm in bed, no many new friends. There to greet Clifford and Emily. Clifford's so much fun, he's a friend to us all. I love Clifford, the big red dog. Woo.
Good morning. Today I'm going to tell you about my very favorite memory.
Okay, folks, that's gonna do it for the opening to Scholastic's Clifford the Big Red Dog. Here comes Clifford, VHS from 2000-2001 reprint. If you guys enjoyed, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great night.